You know that feeling when everything's going perfect, and then bam, a flat tire ruins the vibe? But no stress, NMT Mobile Tire Service rolls in to save the day. Our crew shows up fast, fully loaded, and ready to get you rolling again. Skip planning a trip to the shop. We bring the service straight to you. Flat tire repair, tire swaps, winter installs, and wheel balancing, you name it. Any car, any model, on or off the rims. And here's the kicker, it's all backed by our best price guarantee plus flexible buy now, pay later options, so your ride stays smooth, your wallet stays happy, and your day stays on track. New Millenium Tire, your one-stop shop for all tire needs, now parked right at your doorstep. Book your mobile tire service now. Call us at 905-452-0111